I was just gonna say, I'm definitely not a VS Code or Git expert, although I'm hoping to be one soon. So I think that we will probably end up starting by just giving you some raw code and then work on getting a little more fluent and trying to do some of that question and answer stuff maybe afterwards, if that works. It's like I'm trying to follow along and I can't even get my VS Code to look like your screen. So I have some learning to do.
Mary Kate, why don't you share your screen? We'll fix it right here.
Oh, geez. Okay. That's going to just be embarrassing, but okay. We'll do that.
Because if you're struggling,
it needs to be
I'm
a
sure
judgment-free zone. So
this is judgment-free zone.
Sure.
Judgment-free.
So I've like been in here a couple of times off and on, but never really sat and worked in VS Code, although I want to when I see it. So like I don't have any of the things that you do over here.
Let's look at your extensions, which is like those boxes on the left-hand side. Yeah, with the one in front. Yeah.
I think I have all the extensions.
Okay. I see you have code for I. You got the development.
Code for I have the DB2 for I. I have the
there's
development pack.
Yeah. Project Explorer's here too. Excellent.
Explorer,
good. You have everything. So, very good. Excellent. So that's
it's done. Like I know when I was at Lug with you that we were using this, but I don't know where in the world. I need to open a folder. I don't know.
Yes. So you're wondering
where any of my stuff is.
I did gloss over that. How do you get to the repo? Yes. Right.
So it's like I don't have anything happening over here.
Yep. So you're not yet looking at the Git repo. So what we did at the time, can you just go to a browser?
Oh, sure.
And type in, say, github.com.
Well, I can try that one.
Yep, there we go. That's good. Excellent. Now you'll see that there's a fork, like on just below that area and to the right, there's watch, fork, and star. There, yeah. So fork, there's 16 forks. Let's pull that down, see if one of them's yours.
Oh, look. One of them is mine.
You've got one for Mary Kay already. And, who knows, maybe your coworkers can reuse your fork. That's fine too. You don't have to have a separate one for each. Now, you see the green code button. That's okay, Jacob. That's fine. If people have to drop, I understand we're getting close to the hour. So go to the green code button, and you see it's got, there's currently HTTPS. If you use SSH, that's easier because you can update HTTPS, kind of like read-only. Good. And then to the right of that URL, there's a button to copy that. Just those, yeah, that means you've copied that URL. Okay, good. Now, we're going to go back here and we want to say,
in the search?
Well, we need to basically clone repository. See where it says clone repository? That's what you want to do.
That's right.
Oh yeah, in fact, I probably don't even have to. Wait. I don't think what happened there. Something.
Sorry.
Let's hit clone again. Because I didn't see where it went. Oh yeah, just click that. Just click that. Oh, look at that. It already knows about it.
So down here was mine?
Yeah. Just take that one. Look, because you already have it. Yep. Boom. Okay, now you got to say where you want to put this locally, right?
I don't know. We'll just stick it in OneDrive documents for now. Here somewhere.
Well, what do you
I'll create a new folder. We'll call it AI source for the moment because I don't want to have to think very hard.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks. I did not do this step, so I appreciate you bringing this up. This is useful for everybody. So now what it's done, it's made a copy of your your forked repo is now cloned. So forking happens between IBM's copy and GitHub and your copy and GitHub.
Okay,
There we
so
go. It's
now I
open.
can
Yep.
open it.
Yep. And now
Okay, now
you see everything. Everything is here.
so trust the authors.
Mhm.
Okay.
Good.
Well, that's what I
Alright.
was missing. It's like I didn't have anything over here. Okay.
Right. And so
Perfect.
you
Thank
can,
you.
and I probably will, after this meeting, push the city furniture directory. So you will see that stuff already created. So you'll just go under the source pull down. You see the source, the source directory. You got data expanded. If you go down a bit,
yeah.
you'll see this SRC one. Sorry. So we'll have a city furniture directory there, and just
Okay.
copy stuff into there, right?
Okay.
Just like we did with
Perfect.
our GPGM. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. I needed
You're
that extra
welcome.
little tip. Thanks very
Mhm.
much.